Hey, my name is Julia Greaves, and I am a Maryville student currently taking instrumental analysis. Welcome to our webpage. This video is going to further explain atomic absorption spectroscopy. We're actually going to take the lid off an AAS, explain the 5 main components that make up the instrument, and show the path that the radiation travels. Absorption spectrometer has 5 basic components: the source of radiation, a wavelength selector, the sample being analyzed, the detector, and a processor. Let's take a look inside an AAS instrument.
The entire process begins with the source. The source, circled in green, is what emits radiation or light. The most common source for AAS is a hollow cathode lamp, which can be read about in full detail on another page. The source emits radiation, which is then directed by a mirror to the chopper. The chopper is used to eliminate source fluctuation and background noise. After passing through the chopper, the light goes from mirror to mirror until it is directed towards the sample. This is where absorption takes place. In this specific instrument, a flame serves as the atomizer. This means that your sample, which was once in solution form, converts into free gaseous atoms. Absorption occurs when these atoms go from a low energy ground state to a higher energy excited state. The amount of absorption is directly related to the concentration of the sample. Absorption is determined by taking the log of the amount of light before passing through the sample, divided by the amount of light after passing through the sample. After passing through the sample, the light is reflected on a path until it reaches the wavelength selector, which in this case is a grating. Once the light hits the grating, radiation at the selected wavelength goes back to a mirror and is reflected to the detector. The detector in this instrument is a photomultiplier tube. The detector receives the signal and converts it to a new signal that is able to be interpreted. This signal is then displayed on a processor. The processor for this instrument is a digital display of numbers. Another common processor used is a computer.